What's up, guys? So we're kind of bored, don't have anything else to do, and don't have much money to spend, so we're just gonna spend the day at Ikea.
We're trying to fight the seasonal affective disorder, and by getting out of the house.
Yeah, we're fighting the big sad by getting in the sun and making ourselves just walk. So we walked. We didn't walk, but we're walking to Ikea. We actually have a purpose of being here today.
We need a bread bin.
A bread bin. Yeah, we're making.
Maybe a fruit basket.
Yeah, we're gonna see what's up, but we haven't made a lot of bread at home, so we need an actual bread box. This is so cute.
This is a cute kid's room.
How cute. It's everywhere.
When I get ideas, I make Chris try things. I want to know if his shoe fits in these boxes.
Well, we're gonna figure it out.
Oh, in some way, shape, or form.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, try it on that one. Will fit upright?
Oh, okay. Sure, well, I can step. There you go.
Oh, it fits big people's shoes.
Boom. Just call me big people.
Tall people's shoes. Big-footed shoes.
Relax. Yeah.
Oh, there's more.
But wait, there's more. Yeah.
And there's lights.
Yeah. Are you getting ideas?
Yeah.
Every time we go to Ikea, this is just I'll be just getting more and more ideas for our future home.
Tell me answer. That makes sense. Well, but she doesn't go into 10. That's bigger.
What's the idea?
A couple extra water jets like here
Uh-huh.
and from the sides on either side, and then we have another wall that would have the shelves built in.
Down. What? Oh. Let me in. I feel like this is a closet setup though. Don't break it, bro.
Not ready to be a display model.
Cheers. We have found our bread box. We also got a baking dish and a microwave cover, but also Shelby found. What is it?
It's so cute.
I need it. Dibs. Call dibs on this one. Why does that go hard though? That would be perfect.
Just trying on a Dragon Ball Z sweater.
Knit or don't button it?
Either. Show up the other side. See the sleeve? There's nothing on the back, but comfy. Actually.
Good. They're all nice and cozy. We're gonna do our little IKEA haul. We got, this is what, bakeware?
2 new baking dishes for our sushi bacon for sweet stuff. Our glass one broke, so we got rid of it.
Yep.
We got coasters for your desk.
Yep.
We got Christmas tree and lights.
We're gonna make a raver Christmas tree, but that's gonna be during Vlogmas, so don't miss out.
And then wrapping paper.
Yeah.
And French fried onions.
Swedish fried onions.
Swedish fried onions.
Yeah. So yeah, not bad. We spent a total of in the bread box, which now that we're making our food. Ta-da! We spent the whole $160. Nice.